Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix sheet tabs not showing in Microsoft Excel. So as we can see in this left side bottom corner, we are able to see this sheet tab, but in case you are not seeing this and guys, if this sheet tab is missing, so to fix this problem, click on File, then Options, then click on Advanced. Underneath this display options for this workbook, check this box for Show Sheet Tabs. If you unselect, so sheet tabs will be hidden. To show them again, File, then Options, Advanced, and check this box Show Sheet Tabs. Then click on OK. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.